How to fix Microsoft Outlook back to normal. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix your Microsoft Outlook's layout. Hey everyone, so today we're going to see how you can easily fix this. First thing you want to do is open up Outlook and make sure that you're on your home screen. As you can see here, this part looks a little bit weird because I'm not able to see all of my messages, and even if I tap on them, the preview is being shown right here down below. So what you need to do here is change your layout, go to view, and then find messages over here. From there, go to message preview. Now you can just show text preview over here. It's gonna show you the text preview right here. Go to messages again, go to conversation, and then you'll find reading pane. Now you can just show all messages from selected conversation, or you could just show messages from only selected conversation. Now you're going to have to find this layout tab. If you don't see it here, go to view settings and then search for layout. And once you search for layout, or you can directly just search for reading pane and then click on it. Now you'll be taken directly over to the reading panes option. And as you can see here, the first thing you do is change the reading pane layout. You can either fill screen to the right, or you could just do bottom. So I could just do this to the right and then save changes. And as you can see here, this looks pretty normal now. If I just select these messages, it's going to show me the preview of the messages as well. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.